Quick and easy little man tip for you this morning. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2019 F-150. First thing we got to do, pop the hood. Lift it up. Now what we're looking for is right in here. So pop these out. There's your air filter. I'm doing this because I've noticed I'm getting a little bit of a vinegar smell coming out of my AC lately. So hopefully changing out the cabin air filter ought to change it. What I got here is a Ford Motorcraft replacement. Old versus new. Nice clean color. Got to put the phone down a second to get it out. Ain't she a beauty? So, same as it goes out, lift it up, put the replacement in, filter side down, put it back in. Button it back up. Hard to do with one hand, but gotta hold the phone. And quick and easy man tip. Man tip.